So today on time-wasting 3D printing projects, when I was teaching my anatomy lab this week, I found this pencil. It's a cheap mechanical pencil made by Pin Gear. Let me turn that over. 0.7 millimeter. And unfortunately, this had happened, rendering the pencil completely inoperable. The rest of the pencil is in great shape. The eraser's hardly been used. So, I thought, why waste a perfectly good pencil for lack of a cap? All right. And that brings us to, this one's actually threaded on the inside. There you go, you can see the threads a little bit. So, I spent about an hour total. Let's see, can we focus? That's a little better. I spent about an hour working on this little fella. Just, there isn't a 6.5 millimeter thread pitch, so I just made a custom triangular coil with the right pitch and kind of just eyeballed it. You know, if it doesn't come out right, this will be less than a penny's worth of resin. I think I can just reprint it after making some modifications. But yeah, there we go. So I tried to enhance the grippiness of the tip a little bit here because the original was a little anemic. Where's the lens? Where's the lens? What am I looking at? Yeah. There we are. The original, feeling like AVE right now. Focus, you fuck. There's a little bit of anemic on the grippiness, but I also didn't want to make it sharp. Like those ridges are just barely enough to see. I can hardly even feel them. Can barely even scrape them with my fingernail. So they don't really add much to grip. So I added the ridges here. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'll update you when I have an actual print.